my name is Tyler, and this is Kirk Squad, and this is Jeremy. This is Kirk Squad Olympics, part 2.
Go.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. This is Kirk Squad
Jeremy wins. Round 2. Ready? Joust! Up. And keep on going. Up. And Jeremy wins the event with 2-0. Go.
Hello, I'm Tyler, and this is the Kirk Squad Obstacle Course of Doom.
Go.
Tyler's rounded the trailer. Past the first obstacle. Now come the bikes.
And time. Jeremy's passing the first obstacle pretty quickly. There he's rounding the second obstacle. Tyler's trying to get some revenge here. And time. Go. Okay, Tyler's heading into the first obstacle. Jumping over. Heading to the second obstacle very quickly. Third, fourth, and I clear. Okay, Jeremy trips start off. Heading into the first obstacle. He seems to be stuck at the he seems to be stuck there. He gets through. He gets through. Trips over some rakes. Time.
Tyler, and this is... Okay, start over. I heard about this. Hello, I'm Tyler, and this is the reason why I'm Kirk Squad.